Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Electric Bike for adults stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its robust performance and thoughtful design. Featuring a powerful 750W peak motor, this bike delivers impressive acceleration and can tackle various terrains with ease, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The motor provides a smooth ride, effortlessly reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for daily travel or weekend excursions. One of the standout features is the 7-speed transmission system. This allows riders to easily switch gears, providing flexibility in handling steep hills or flat roads. The inclusion of a Shimano gear set is a significant upgrade, as it ensures reliable and precise shifting. Whether you're cruising along city streets or navigating challenging trails, the bike adapts to your riding style effortlessly. The battery life is also commendable, with a 48V15A lithium-ion battery that can offer a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like terrain and rider weight. The battery is easily removable, making it convenient for charging at home or the office. Additionally, the bike features pedal assist technology, enabling riders to enjoy a workout while still benefiting from electric assistance. Comfort is another priority with the Qlife Electric Bike. It comes equipped with a premium suspension system that absorbs shocks and bumps, providing a smooth ride even on rough paths. The ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars further enhance comfort, making long rides more enjoyable. Lastly, the bike's design is both modern and functional, featuring bright LED lights for safety and a sturdy frame that can support heavier weights without compromising stability. Overall, the Qlife Electric Bike offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and style, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore their surroundings on two wheels. Whether you're commuting or seeking adventure, this e-bike will not disappoint.